My dear viewers, now discuss ncert solution for class 10 science chapter 1 in text questions. That is the part 1 subject matter chemical reactions and equation. For the ncert books, page number 6, the first question discuss why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air. Okay, that is magnesium gets covered with a layer of magnesium oxide when kept in air for a long time. Okay, this layer hinders the burning of magnesium, hence it is to be cleaned before burning. Okay, next question number 2. Write the balance equation for the following chemical reaction. That is, hydrogen plus chlorine form the product hydrogen chloride. This is the equation balance H2 plus Cl2 form 2HCl. Okay. Next part, barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate product from barium sulfate plus aluminum chloride. This is the balance equation 2BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole 3 product from BaSO4 plus 2AlCl3. Next part, sodium plus water product from sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. This is the balance equation 2Na plus 2H2O, that is product from 2NaOH plus H2, that is the evaporation of hydrogen. Okay. Next question number 3. Write a balanced chemical equation with state symbol for the following reaction. Number 1. Okay. Solution of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to get insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. Okay. This is the answer. Balance equation BaCl2, that is aqueous solution, plus Na2SO4 sodium sulfate solution, that is aqueous, product from BaSO4 barium sulfate solid. S means solid. আশা করি বোঝা গেছে। And 2NaCl AQ, that is solution. Okay, my dear viewers. Next part, that is the part 2. Sodium hydroxide solution in water, that is aqueous, react with hydrochloric acid solution, that is HCl, in water, that is aqueous, to product, that is produce sodium chloride solution and water. এটাকে আমরা এক্সপ্লেইন করতে পারি এইভাবে, by the equation NaOH AQ means solution, HCl AQ means solution from NaCl salt, but this is the aqueous, it is solution form, and H2O liquid. Okay. Next question, page number 10 for NCERT book. Okay. That is question number 1. A solution of substance X is used for white washing. Okay. Number 1. Name the substance X and find its formula. Answer part 1. The substance whose solution in water is used for whitewashing is calcium oxide, that is quicklime. Its formula CaO. Okay, calcium oxide. It is one type of basic basic oxide. Okay, NaO, similar others example basic oxide. That is the this part is the basic oxide, CaO, calcium oxide. Next part, explain this part. Write the equation for substrate X named in one above with water. উপরে যে আমরা ইকুয়েশন যেটা এক্সপ্লেন করেছি সেখান থেকে যদি আমরা ওয়াটারটা মিক্সড করি কি প্রোডাক্ট হবে সেখানে আমরা এক্সপ্লেন করব। Calcium oxide CaO solid, that is calcium oxide quicklime plus water H2O liquid form calcium hydroxide, that is aqueous solution called calcium hydroxide, that is slack lime. Okay, quicklime formula CaO, slack lime formula CaOH equal to. Okay, next question number 2. Why is amount of gas collected in one of the test tube in textbook activity 1.7, that is electrolysis of water, double of amount collected in the other, name this gas. Okay, this answer explain this part in activity 1.7. Water is electrolyzed, okay, to get H2 gas, that is hydrogen gas, at electrode, and O2 gas at the other electrode. That is the chemical equation 2H2O liquid, that is the liquid part, from 2H2O gas plus O2 gas. Thus, two molecules of water on electrolysis give two molecules of hydrogen gas and one molecule of oxygen gas, or in other words, the amount of hydrogen gas collected would be double than that of oxygen. আমরা যে ইকুয়েশন এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেখানে হচ্ছে আমরা কি ওয়াটারটা হাইড্রোলিস হয়ে ডাবল amount of hydrogen than oxygen. Okay, next question number 1, but the page number 13. Question number 1. Why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when an iron nail is dropped in it? Or the similar question, an iron nail is dropped in the solution of copper sulfate for about 30 minutes. State the change in color observed. Give the reason the change. Explain this question. When an iron nail is dropped in copper sulfate solution, the displacement reaction takes place. Okay, this type of the reaction, displacement reaction. The color of the copper sulfate solution is due to the formation of light green solution of iron sulfate. This is the color of iron sulfate, color light green solution. Okay, next question number 2. Next question number 2. Give an example of double displacement reaction. Then other one gives in activity 1.10 for NCERT text. That is sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid react to form sodium chloride and water. Okay, this is a reaction sodium hydroxide NaOH plus HCl form sodium chloride NaCl plus water H2O. Okay, this is the displacement reaction. Okay, this is one type of the displacement reaction. Okay, next question number 3. Identify the substance that are oxidized and substance which are reduced in the following reaction. Okay, number 1, 4Na solid plus O2 gas form, that is the product form 2Na2O solid. This is the type of the reaction. Substance oxidizes is sodium as it gains oxygen and oxygen is reduced. Next part, copper oxide, that is solid, and hydrogen gas form copper solid and water liquid. This is the substance. This is the answer. Substance reduced in copper as hydrogen is oxidized as it gets oxygen. Okay. Please show the next part. Follow the ncert solution class 10 chapter 1. Please show the next part, part 2. Okay.